Looking for decorations, looking for cakes, looking for snacks. Laura got you covered. Craving and tasty. Engage.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Lara's kitchen. Today we have donuts and it's going to be delivered. So this is the first one I fried. So I didn't want to put it in bulk as in 10, 15. It's not like puff puff or buns, but this one is donut. As you can see, beautifully fried. If you want to see the recipe, go to Lara's All in All or Lara's Kitchen on Facebook page or YouTube. You can find us there. Just look at it. You see how yummy this donut is ready. Our donut is ready. Our donut. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Order yours. Hurry up and order. The price is affordable. Order yours. It's so important to order it. Are you seeing it? Order it. You will love 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 it.